No, don't do it together, because I know some of them are bigger. And then you can also watch me doing it. I do one. Make sure I look fat and nasty now. I started doing hair when I think I was about, my cousin Laquan knows. I did her poetic justice braids or plaits or whatever back then we called it, and my cousin Nicole helped me. It took me 3 days.
What?
And I never thought I could do it. But I had time, and definitely I had patience, and definitely I had the creative ability to do it through the help of the Holy Spirit. At the time, I didn't even know it. I have on any nails. Usually I have my long nails on, but I have to kind of like take those nails off, get my fingers a break, my nails bed, because I was wearing nails for so long. But I bless the name of the Lord for the ability to be able to do my children's hair and not have to pay someone else to do it. And so I just thank God for doing that for me. As I listen to Ambassador Dr. Bynum, we're on this blessed week preparing for Resurrection Sunday. We just had a blessed Palm Sunday at Life Empowerment Ministries, Youth and Young Adult Ministry. Prophetess Pastor Katrika Sterling. It was an awesome word that the Lord brought forth. I just love the Lord, and we just want to do what's pleasing in His eyesight. My daughter didn't even want me to do it. She was like, "Mommy, no." I said, "You know what?"
Mommy. No, she told me. She said me.
About Sanaa.
Are you talking about Sanaa?
Yeah. She's like, "No, Mommy." I said, "You think I want to make you look crazy, baby? No."
She don't show my face. She show my face. Show the brain.
God bless you all.